In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to choose calendar and click on it. Now pick a date. You need to just turn on if you wish to turn on auto sync or cancel if you don't. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Over here, change color, select starting hour or ending one. If you want to, you can also disable this feature completely by clicking on this sweater next to all day. Then tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. After that, go back, take notes, add attachments, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, go back, set up location over here. You need to click while using the upper only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one or keyword if you wish to. Then select done. And now to save your event, just save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, then tap on it again, make your changes by choosing edit at the bottom, do one wherever you wish to, and choosing save again. If you wish to get rid of your event, you need to click on it again, but this time select this delete icon at the bottom right corner instead and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!